Good morning, second graders. How are you today? Let's jump into calendar. Here we go. The month is November. Today's a holiday. It is Veterans Day, and in your packet you will be completing some work about Veterans Day so you can learn and appreciate Veterans Day and all that veterans have done for our country. So today is November 11th. So let's go ahead and fill that in. November is the 11th month. It is the 11th day in 2020. Let's write it in November 11th, 2020. Today's Wednesday. That means yesterday was Tuesday and tomorrow will be Thursday. We have been at school yesterday for 36 days. If we're at 36 and I add one more, we still have 3 groups of 10, meaning 30, and 7 ones, which makes 37 days of school. Let's make 37 in a new way today. You ready? All right. A quarter is 25. All right. So I'm at 25. Now I'm going to add 10. So 25, 35, 36, 37. Okay, so try adding in a quarter every now and again, you guys. All right, let's know these words. Look. The water is called and. Let's get our number 54. Let's put it in expanded form. 50 plus 4 equals 54. I'm going to put 54 here. Okay, what comes after 54? 55. What comes in front of 54? So 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50. Good job. All right, 56. What is one less? 55. One more. 57. Go to your tens place, take 1 away for 10 less, and you have 46. Go to your tens place and add 1 more for 10 more, and you have 66. All right, 825. 825. Look at your hundreds place. Take 1 away for 100 less, and you have 725. Go to your hundreds place and add another 100. And you will have 925. Let's get our numbers. 850, 198. Remember, the gator's gotta chomp up the biggest number. So we're going to pull this one down. 850 is greater than 198. Have a great day.